Hi Cancer, this is your next 7 days reading starting from 20th of April to the 27th of April. What is coming to you in this next 7-day period is what I am going to talk about through the tarot cards. The tarot cards have come out for you. I have studied them and I have some important information. I'll be clarifying if it is required. So basically in your environment, this is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Cancer. So Cancer, in this time period, what is in your environment is the hangman energy. So by environment I mean your close surroundings. It could be regarding your job, career, money, finance, or your close relationships. So there is an energy of inertia. This energy of this hangman is about delays. It is about a time to think. So basically this period of pause that you are getting, Cancer, is to reflect on your situation where you could be helpless. So what is making you helpless? The helpless situations are the two of swords and the moon energy. So two of swords and the moon energy can mean that there is silence on one side. From some place you want something to come, say an information, say an impasse that you are going through. So basically you want a breakthrough, but you cannot influence it at this time. And there is also fear, there is also uncertainty regarding this situation. So the two of swords and the moon is a situation that is causing a fix in your environment, and this is causing some kind of delay, and this is also causing you some kind of tension and anxiety, but you cannot help this situation. The only thing that you can do, Cancerians, is basically change your perspective. So the hangman is adept at that. So when you have no physical control over your environment, or when you do not have mental control over your environment, what do? You think about your situation and you change your perspective. What else can you do? How to avoid, how to take yourself out of this impasse? That is what you are going to think about in this time period. So there is this Princess of Swords energy. There could be an immature Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or there is a situation that is delaying your progress. It could be maybe some of you have lots of choices, or there were choice situation, because your past energies are showing Seven of Cups. So you were in an evaluation of choices energy, but you got confused maybe, and you right now you cannot make those decisions maybe. So you have to choose something. So what is that choice? You are stalled regarding that. So with the page of swords energy, page of swords is also an energy of gathering information. It is about a bit of spying. It is about a bit of checking out your knowledge about a certain situation. So it is about curiosity. So this could be in your love life, your close relationship, or this could be in your job situation. So whatever is the impasse, you are curious about this stuck situation. There could be a toxic situation, toxic relationship in your love life, or a family connection. So you want to get this straight. You want to explore the other options. There could be a dating situation where you are going to not getting some information. Someone is not talking to you maybe. So this could be that, or this could be you are not getting an answer regarding a proposal which went forward but is right now not giving you the exact information, and that is causing anxiety. So basically in your career situation with the Ten of Pentacles and the Tower, there is going to be an upheaval, a surprise situation has occurred or will occur. But because you are in a fix and because you are going through the options, what I can gather is this tower has happened. This tower was a confusion and upheaval in your long term energies. This could be related to a job, this could be related to family wealth, this could be related to shifting and displacement of family or your family home or your parental property or properties connected to you, or this is a job situation where lot of changes happen. So right now there is going to be a stabilization of the process. So the stabilization will start from this week. That is what I am seeing. You will change your perspective regarding whatever is stalled in your life. With the Nine of Cups, I am seeing at least in your work situation, you are going to achieve some kind of happiness and individual liberation. So there is going to be an upheaval affecting you, whether it has already occurred or whether it will occur, or there is reshuffling or transfer in the organization. But this is going to give you a long-term situation of stability, and with the Nine of Cups energy, you could be getting some happiness regarding your career situation. But in terms of love, you are going through some kind of sadness. You are going through what has been lost. So that sadness is happening because of a toxic relationship, which is the devil and the justice. But angels are asking you to hold your horses, do not react, and you have to be, fair with anyone who is around you. So there is some kind of codependency in your environment, in your love or a relationship situation, and you are being asked to be kind, you are being asked to be fair. You need to judge or do justice in your relationship with a level head. That is what angels are saying. So you could be dealing with a Capricorn or a Libra or another Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, or an Aquarius, Gemini, Libra energy. So there is some kind of silence, or there is some sticky situation, egoistic wars happening in your love situation. But very soon there is going to be exchange of information. There is going to be some kind of fast energies coming in your situation to change this stalemate or an impasse that is happening in your relationship. So basically what you need to do is to remain balanced. What you need to do is to get over this old pattern of sorrow or feeling of loss, or connection with someone which is totally physical. You got to balance and you got to think about what is correct in this time period. So look after your karma situation as well. That is what angels are saying. In terms of your health, you have to show some courage. You have to show some patience regarding your health. Some of you could be getting over addictions. That is what I am seeing. Or some of you are leaving, say, alcohol or some kind of addiction in this time period. Some of you are getting out of bad health situations, and you are showing great courage in getting out and becoming better. Some of you are also practicing some kind of alternate medicine, or you are doing lot of exercises. So ultimately you will come into robust health because of presence of strength in this time period. So basically you have been suffering, now you will get back to health because of your strength, patience and courage. So what is your outcome, Cancer? Your outcome looks good. There is the King of Pentacles outcome in terms of your overall situation in this time period. So let's look at the King of Pentacles and clarify this card. So So the King of Pentacles can mean that you will be in a stable situation and you could be concentrating on making money, or you could be attracting stability in this time period. Okay. Okay, so the King of Pentacles is clarified by the King of Cups and the Star. So this is your energy. You are going to be in the King of Cups energy. You are this emotionally intelligent king, water king, who will be in King of Pentacles situation. So basically you will be elevating yourself in terms of your career, money, job, finance, becoming very stable. You are going to show your emotional intelligence in love and remain stayed and stable. You will be focusing more on your work or your practical situations. And with the Star, I am seeing that you are being led towards your growth, you are being led towards your wish fulfillment, at least in one sector of your life, that is your career. And in terms of your love, it is saying that you hold your emotions, and if you can, if you are emotionally intelligent, you are going to go towards much more stability in terms of your love life as well. So basically you are dealing with this Capricorn energy or the devil energy. With the Nine of Wands, you are not giving up on this. This is a relationship, or this is a sticky toxic situation that is around you, or this could be parents who are unwell, a situation that is not going away. It could be a lover with whom you have lot of problems, but they are still their lover or partner or a married spouse. So you are not giving up on this person, but you are dealing with this person, showing your courage. That is what angels are saying. With the Hierophant, you are going to take the higher path. You can take some counseling advice or use your knowledge in this time period, or you will be moving towards the what is correct, or what is your commitment from the beginning. So where is the problem, you are going to identify, you are going to show your courage, you are going to change your perspective. You are also going to draw upon the institution of advice from someone, or you will be tapping into education or meditation or religious practices to get over this energy that is sticky, toxic, or that binds you in some lower energy. So Cancer, what I am seeing is that you are going to get over your difficulties very soon. God is your source. That is what your abundance angels are saying. So God is your source means that everything you need is supplied by the infinite source of God, and your faith opens the doorway to receive. In God, there is no lack or limitation, rather, there is plenty of abundance for all to share. And one more thing, God is your source, meaning divine energies will help you. The Hierophant and the King of Pentacles that is coming in your outcome situation can also mean that you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Taurus particularly. With the High Priestess and the Strength card, your inner being, your inner eye, your subjective mentality is going to drive you towards your progress, because the High Priestess is your energy, Cancer, and High Priestess knows lot many others do not know. So it is sacred knowledge that is going to help you, that comes from within. And the strength, so strength has come to you before in this reading. Strength in the external energy or in the outer energy, future energy, tells me that you are going to keep showing your determination and gumption to move towards your betterment in this time period, and you will be driven by your intuitive energies. That is your high point, Cancer. So very good energies, Cancer. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So decide and then write to me through the email ID in the description box. Keep watching Tarot Priestess 1313. This is the channel. I'll keep bringing you your readings. The May readings will come very soon. Bye bye.